Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I created my skeleton wreath that was inspired by a wreath that we saw at Big Lots. The Big Lots wreath was $25, and I made mine for just under $12. DollarTree does not have the grapevine wreaths, so I did find one at Joann's 18-inch on sale for $4. Not bad, it's a nice wreath. I took all the extra leaves that I had laying around from projects that I didn't use, and I'm going to spray paint those. I also picked up a bunch of the red roses and some gold glitter glue. And then you'll only need really one of these bunches of black, whatever these things are. I don't know what they're called. Use some hairspray to get the glitter off. And I had one of these ghouls left over, so I'm going to use him. And one of the skulls on a stand, and then the big 6-inch skull. The first thing I did was I tried to spray paint my grapevine wreath so that it was black. I did both sides in case the wind blew and you saw the back of it. And then while I was spray painting, I spray painted all my leaves. I didn't use all of them, but you never can have too many black leaves, right? While that was all drying, I did take apart my roses, and they're just layered on, and that little green cap is what holds it all together. And then I used the DollarTree gold glitter glue, and I just went around all the edges. Now, I realized that having a cat might be a little bit of a problem for me, so I did have to do this one flower at a time because I had to keep him away from them. So it took me all week to do the flowers, but they came out really nice. And the Big Lots piece had glittered roses, so that's why I did that. The next thing I did was I took the ghoul apart. There was a lot of glue, so I just used my heat gun and one of those gummy sponges that Dollar Tree carries now, and I got the glue off because I'm going to spray paint it later. And because it was a hanging ghoul, there's a hole in the top of his head. I just filled it in with some hot glue. So then I had my and I popped my head off of the skull that was on the stand. So I have my 3 skulls, and then I took some gold metallic paint, spray paint, and I painted them all. Now notice that 2 of them had the black eyes still. That was wonderful, but the other one did not. So I just took some stamping ink and a sponge, and I just filled it in with black so they all look the same. And here is everything that I'm using. I did pick up a stem, a black stem. I guess it's like a fern from Michael's. It was on sale for like $3, plus I had an extra 20% off, so that wasn't bad either. Then I had to try to figure out how to get the big skull to stay on the wreath, so I just hot glued 2 pipe cleaners, one on either side, and then I glued the pipe cleaners onto the grapevine wreath. And then I started placing all my flowers, and then my other 2 skulls, and plastic doesn't hot glue to plastic, so I used 2-sided tape, and it's holding really well. Not the one from Dollar Tree. This is a special 2-sided tape. And then I just put whatever I put on the left, I put on the right, and everything is just poked into the grapevine. And here it is side by side with my inspiration. And I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching.